Welcome to your French for Beginners course. In this introductory lesson, we'll cover the essentials to get you started on your journey to learning French. This lesson will include the course objectives, an overview of French-speaking countries, and some basic French phrases that will be useful right from the start. Our goal in this course is to help you develop a basic understanding and ability to communicate in French. By the end of the course, you should be able to 1. Understand and use everyday expressions and basic phrases. 2. Introduce yourself and others, and ask and answer questions about personal details. 3. Interact in a simple way, provided the other person talks slowly and clearly. French is a Romance language spoken by millions of people worldwide. It is an official language in 29 countries across multiple continents. Here are some key French-speaking countries. 1. France, the birthplace of the French language, located in Western Europe. 2. Canada, particularly in the province of Quebec, where French is the official language. 3. Belgium, one of the 3 official languages, alongside Dutch and German. 4. Switzerland, one of the 4 national languages spoken in the Western regions. 5 African countries, including Senegal, Ivory Coast, Democratic Republic of Congo, and many others, where French is used in administration and education. Learning French opens up a rich cultural world, offering access to French literature, cinema, cuisine, and a deeper understanding of the global Francophone community. Let's start with some fundamental phrases that you can use in everyday situations. Greetings. Let's learn some common ways to greet people in French. Bonjour. How to pronounce it in French is bonjour. In English, it means hello or good morning. Bonsoir. How to pronounce it in French is bonsoir. In English, it means good evening. Salut. How to pronounce it in French is salut. In English, it means hi or bye. It's informal. Au revoir. How to pronounce it in French is au revoir. In English, it means goodbye. Now let's move on to introductions. Comment vous appelez-vous? How to pronounce it in French is comment vous appelez-vous? It means what is your name? This is formal. Comment tu t'appelles? How to pronounce it in French is comment tu t'appelles? It means what is your name? This is informal. Je m'appelle. How to pronounce it in French is je m'appelle. It means my name is. Polite expressions. S'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît. Please formal, s'il te plaît, s'il te plaît. Please informal, merci, merci. Thank you, merci beaucoup, merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. De rien asterisk asterisk, de rien. You're welcome. Basic questions. Oui, oui. Yes, non, no, no. Pardon, pardon. Excuse me. Parlez-vous anglais? Parlez-vous anglais? Do you speak English? Formal. Tu parles anglais? Tu parles anglais? Do you speak English? Informal. Où sont les toilettes? Common responses. Oui, un peu. Oui, un peu. Yes, a little. Je ne comprends pas. Je ne comprends pas. I don't understand. Pouvez-vous répéter? Pouvez-vous répéter? Can you repeat? Formal. Parlez lentement, s'il vous plaît. Parlez lentement, s'il vous plaît. Speak slowly, please. Formal. These basic phrases will help you navigate simple conversations and begin interacting in French from day 1. As we progress through the course, you'll build on this foundation, expanding your vocabulary and improving your grammatical understanding.